Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about the French AP test modification so that you understand, right? So, the test for the French AP will be given on May 21st at 9 a.m. Pacific time. So, California, Pacific time, 9 a.m. And everybody in the whole world will be taking this test at the same time. And you have to make sure you're there ready at 9 a.m. to get going. And if you're gonna need a computer or Wi-Fi connectivity or internet connectivity, make sure you notified, you call or you contact the College Board directly by April 24th. Okay, by going to cb.org/tech, like you can see there. Now you're still gonna be earning 3, 4, and 5 as it has been the case in previous years, right? Because you have gone to the same challenge, right? You know this test this year is open note, therefore they made sure that no point is given towards you using resources. That's why there's not going to be any reading. I'm talking once again here, I'm talking about the French AP test. There's not going to be reading or no writing task on this test for this year. Now, the test will focus only on the speaking task. Okay, the test will focus only on the speaking task. It will have 2 questions, right? The test will have 2 questions. It's going to be free response question 3 and free response question 4 that you had in the previous tests. And in order to take your test, you're going to have to call in to listen to the prompt and also communicate your answers. Now, like I said initially, the timing for this test will be consistent as it has been with the past. The question 1, you will complete 1 question and then move on to the second question. But make sure you're aware of the fact that once you submit your question number 1, you cannot go back to it. You can submit and say, oh, you know what, let me go back and try to modify my answers. It does not work like that. So the question number 1, like I said earlier, it will be consistent with the current time of free response question 3. And then the question number 2 will be consistent with the current time for free response question number 4. And since we have 2 parts here, they're each going to be weigh 50%. Each part will be 50%. The question number 1 is a conversation, and the question number 2 is a cultural comparison. Now, the question number 1 is the French, consider French language and cultural interpersonal speaking task conversation. Like I say, this test is the one where you actually talk to someone, the person you'll be listening to, and communicate with that person. You just listen to someone and then you will be answering the questions. And then the question number 2 is similar to the traditional AP French language and cultural representational speaking task. Is cultural comparison, right? And then also you'll be modified to allow you to listen to directions and take note as well. All right, so I hope that you really understand the different modifications, and you can also go online on the College Board website so that you can see all the specific details if need be. Online, if you go on the College Board website, they have some live sessions and some practice sessions for you to play with. Okay, take care.